Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to run Mistral and Llama model in local system without GPU. So we will run this model without the help of GPU. And these models are quantized model. So obviously we cannot run full model on system without the help of GPU. So quantized models is the models we can run on CPU or low configuration GPU. So these are quantized models. So we will use these models and we will download this model from Hugging Face and then we will run this model. So this is the idea about this video. So let's get started. Are the models Mistral and Llama. And the Mistral 7 billion instruct model with the GGUF model type and 7 billion parameters. So GGUF means the quantized model, and the second model is Llama 3.2 3 billions of parameters. So we need to search this model on Hugging Face. Let's search Hugging Face. Now let's go on the model section and search this model. So these are the models we will find. So let's click on this Mistral 7B, and here we will find different files and versions of this model. So this is the model and we will click on here. So here you can download the model and copy the URL. So just click on this download button and now our downloading is start. Our model takes some time to download because it's the size will so the size is high. So here is also the llama model. So this is the llama model with 3.2 3 billion instruct. This is llama, and these are the different versions of this model and with a different size. So you can download from here also. This is the URL. This is the URL to download, and this is how you can download the model. Now let's understand what we need to install and what go to the code part. So let's run the code. Let's open the code. So this is the code. So first we need to install llama.cpp. So this is the command for Linux, CMake, args, and this is the command for Windows. So first, before installing Llama CPP, we need to set up with Visual Studio Builds. So we need to install this Studio installer, and here we need to install desktop development with C++, and then these are the tick marks which we need to install, like development toolkits with C++, MSVC, Windows 11 SDK, C++ Mac, and these are the tools we need to install before installing llama cpp, because if we not install this, then llama cpp will not install. So first we need to install Visual Studio build tools, and then we can install llama cpp. So after llama cpp we need to install LlamaIndex. Then then that's it. That's all the libraries we need. Then let's run this code and see the results. So this is the small code, and I have downloaded this Mistral 7B model, and this is the model downloaded model, and I have provided the path of this model here. This is the path, and then I'm using LlamaIndex.LLMs, llama cpp, and then message to prompt and complete to prompt, and then model path, temperature, max token, and context window, and then you can set to GPU or CPU, whatever the system has, and then message to prompt and completion to prompt, and then verbose equal to true. And now let's run this code. Obviously it will take some time because we are executing on this CPU, on the basis of CPU. It's completely run on CPU, so it will take time to execute. So yes, our code is executed. Now let's ask some question. So yes, this is the answer of our chatbot. I am an AI. I don't have feelings, but I am here to help you. So let's ask some more question. So you can see it will take, it is taking some time, but if we have GPU or GPU in our system, then the execution will be in less time. You need to set up, this is the answer. You need to set up CUDA for running. If you are using local GPU, if you have GPU, then you need to set up accordingly. You need to download CUDA or NVIDIA drivers to set up, because it requires CUDA drivers to set up for GPU.
That's it from this video, guys. If you learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.